What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tech Reminder. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Sq IP5 waterproof rating original sound amplification equipment. Right here it shows you battery, sound, just tells you it's waterproof. Let's open this up. So when we open it up, it's got big foam protected, of course. We have, looks like, charger cord. We have a little strap to carry it. Our nice headset. An auxiliary cord. And speaker itself. We also have this little manual. So taking a look at this speaker, now that we know all of our buttons and slots, right here is where you put your little strap thing. It hooks right on there. This is waterproof, which makes it really, really nice. Taking a look at some of the other equipment, like I said, this is the auxiliary cord. Just long enough for you to put your phone right there next to it. You got your charger cord, which plugs in over here, right in there. It fits right in there. You plug it in, charge it up. And then let's take a look at this mic. It's a nice little mic, just personal use. It's nice so you don't have to share everything. Okay, so let's take a look at our user manual. So it shows us keys and buttons and instructions. So looking at this, number 1 would be your power button or play button and your pause button. Number 2 is your mode key. Number 3 and 4 are these two buttons. It's previous and next and your volume. Number 5 is your recording. 6 and 10 are your micro SD and TF card. USB flash drive slot, which is on the side. Pull this panel up. That's where all your stuff is. So number 7 is your charger port, which is right there. Number 8 is your microphone jack, which is right here on this side. Number 9 is your auxiliary, which is right next to your microphone port. And then it goes over some of the technical paraments. So like your max output power, your output independence, the charging voltage, music play time. It's pretty cool. And that's how you connect your Bluetooth. So let's take a look at this speaker. Looking at our recording mode, I don't have a micro SD card or a TF card that fits in that slot right there. I don't have a USB drive I can use at the moment, but don't forget your button is up here, and it explains everything right here in your little manual. Says after you put your SD card or your TF card or USB drive into the slot, you plug your wired headset into the mic port. Then you long press the record button to start recording, and you short press to stop the recording. Alright, so let's try and figure some of this equipment out. I'll go ahead and turn that on.
Bluetooth is waiting for a connection.
I guess we'll try the Bluetooth first, guys. Give me 1 second to connect.
Bluetooth is connected.
Okay. We got Bluetooth connected. Let's try out with some music. Turn it down so it's not so loud. got really nice sound, guys. I really like the sound of this. So that actually has really good sound coming out of it, guys.
Bluetooth is waiting for a connection.
Okay, guys. So
Bluetooth is connected.
I was gonna try out the auxiliary cord, but I don't have my iPhone converter. But I'm more than sure that it sounds just as good as the other two. Guys, this is a really nice speaker. It's nice and durable, has hard rubber, it's waterproof, it's really nice. It's portable, it's small, fits in my hand kinda nice. The sound's just beautiful. Let's try out the headphones. Plug it in right over here where it says mic. Alright, I got it on. I can hear myself through it. It has pretty nice audio to it. Now, we're going to try out the auxiliary cord. Close that back up. Make sure it's nice and tight. Alright, let's try the auxiliary.
Audio in mode.
So guys, this speaker is just amazing. I recommend getting it. I'm going to leave a link down in the description down below. I'm going to leave a link in the description down below. Guys, go check this out. And thanks guys. This has been Tech Reminder. See you next time.